Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. Alright, let me take you to this video for sharing some updates. So, our Perseverance Training Institute will be starting DevOps with Cloud batches soon. So, this both this DevOps as a methodology, cloud computing will be explained from scratch to expert level. All right, so we are starting our Perseverance Institute is starting DevOps with cloud batches offline as well as online. All right, so if you guys are interested, you can message us on Insta or Facebook. The links will be provided in the description, or you can also call or WhatsApp the displayed number. All right, fine guys. So for the people who are interested to take the course offline, our institute, Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute, is available at 4th floor Carrot Lane building, the specified door number, A Bypass Road, beside Dima Tirupati. So it's up to individual choice to take the training offline or online. So we have our branch now available only at Tirupati. If you are interested to take offline, so you should be reporting to this particular place, right? And if you are interested online, you can attend from anywhere, as you know. So you guys can contact us if interested. All right, so you guys can watch our short and crisp videos which are already available on the YouTube channel, or we'll be conducting demos before we start exact batch. All right, fine guys, thank you so much. For the details will be shared soon.